Thank you for visiting my site. My name is Spencer LaCapra. I am an entrepreneur with experience in personal finance and marketing. I empower individuals to increase their incomes through business ownership, minimizing taxes, eliminating debt, building investment income, and earning massive upfront, residual, and leveraged income through MyEcon, Inc. Now this is the future, and it calls for different personal economic strategies. Are you content with your present financial credit position? The simple reason that you have chosen to view this especially important video about credit repair proves that at the very least you know the seriousness of having a personal financial plan, with sustained monitoring strategies. Now the world's economy, we have no control over that, but we can assist you in getting control over your own personal economy. The legal business principles that MyEcon assist you in step by step will empower you with knowledge, as you are guided through this financial jungle. This is not something that you should put on the back burner, and maybe get to it later. The future is here now, not later. Many people have taken the attitude that I will go all in after I see what happens, with this or that, but we have got to break these old habits, that sabotages progress. It is no other way to say it, but this is hard work. You must make a fair assessment of where you are and where you would like to be. And commit to yourself. This is your life, and we want you to succeed by empowering you with the necessary tools to succeed, winning by using proven 100% legal strategies. It does not matter what stage of economic life you are presently in, you can still benefit from the economic strategies. Even if you have just won the lottery, you can benefit. Even if you have very serious issues, you can benefit. A better way of saying it is everyone can benefit from MyEcon strategies. The place that you can find help is here. You thought that it was impossible to find help for your needs, even daring to even dream about having personal economic peace of mind, vacation, economic peace at home, family outings, the feeling of being blessed and winning. People say that they miss the times when people looked out for each other, when they encouraged each other, when they shared with each other. These are the good old days.
Hello, I am Evelyn. Mr. LaCapra is a colleague here at MyEcon. I will take it from here with an introduction to our credit repair. We will also get you back to the person that made this meeting possible today. As a financial service company, we provide business owners with the best credit repair services available. We understand the importance of having a good credit score. We work hard to provide our business owners with the best possible repair service. We help you restore your financial well-being by taking care of your poor credit issues and helping you rebuild your financial reputation. We empower individuals to increase their incomes through business ownership, minimizing taxes, eliminating debt, building investment income, and earning massive upfront, residual, and leveraged income through MyEcon. Incorporated an excellent credit score is essential to financial success. Everyday companies, such as potential employers, bankers, lenders, insurance companies, and more, are making life-changing decisions about you based on your credit score. We wish this on no one, but if you were in an accident today and your vehicle was totaled, would your credit score hinder you from replacing it? What we hope for with this MyEcon video is that you get inspired, as well as informed about how to succeed financially in your economy. This is a call to action, inspiring you to forge a path toward your own financial independence. This is easy if you want it. Watch how one of our business owners tells how she utilized these services to improve her credit score and how it paid off by providing extra income and removing that burdensome stress from her life.
So David, why the long face? Aren't you planning a great weekend?
I had an accident yesterday and just found out my car got totaled. The insurance company is not going to give me enough money to buy a decent used car, and my credit score is terrible.
You know, David, I was in a similar situation about a year ago, and a friend told me about this company called MyEcon, and they showed me how to fix my own credit. They had all the letters I needed, they helped me with my credit utilization problem, they got me trade lines, and they showed me an income shifting strategy that put more money in my pocket.
Wow, they did all that? That must have cost you a fortune.
Absolutely not. I got started for less than $40 and only $39.95 a month. But David, here is the best part. If I share my story with others, I can make up to $76 every time someone joins me in business.
Are you kidding me?
In about 45 days, I raised my credit score, made over $1,000, bought me a new car, and got a great interest rate. So David, why are you smiling?
I am ready for you to show me how to get started.
I'll text you my link and we'll get together after work. You'll love it.
Thanks, Liz, for giving me hope again. You are the greatest.
Ah, there you are. That scenario is played out quite often, whether it is a friend telling a friend, or parent telling kids, a doctor telling another, a plumber telling another coworker about my econ. Many people write today working 2- and 3-hourly jobs and still getting farther behind. Starting and maintaining a home-based business provide you with so many benefits and legal government deductions passed by Congress. Having a knowledgeable team working with you setting and accomplishing goals winning. Confidence looks good on a person and a lack of stress does a body good. It was especially great talking with you today about my favorite thing, and that is helping someone. Please contact the person that made this meeting possible. Thank you, have a great day.